What's up, guys? It's Gavin with Bob's Paintland, and today Brody is back from the UK and we're going to be doing our very first long form video.
Yes, sir. So we get a lot of customers coming in the store that are painting plastics, whether it be new bumpers, new fenders, just new panels. So this video is going to be a great example of how that process works and what steps you need to take and the materials as well.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
The first step to any project, and also one of the most important, is the prep process. As you can see, we're making sure to take our time scuffing up these panels with some Scotch-Brite, making sure to focus on making everything appear dull without putting any deep scratches into our canvas. Next, we used wax and grease remover to make sure that the panel was completely clean before we started painting. We applied the wax and grease remover and then wiped it off and checked, and it should still be dull once you're done with the process, but it should be completely clean. And now we finally get to start spraying. We're starting with adhesion promoter, which is essential when spraying plastic. Plastic is produced to be very smooth and non-porous. This means that your paint will have a hard time sticking and will almost always flake and peel very badly. Adhesion promoter gives the base coat something to stick to, fixing our adhesion problem. Now it was time for the base coat. We mixed this rattle can using the paint code we pulled from Brody's 91 NA Miata. We then used our expert matching skills to check the color to his vehicle and adjust it accordingly by eye. Once we had the paint, we gave the panels 3 total coats, checking our coverage between coats and allowing about 5 to 10 minutes between coats for the paint to dry slightly and get tacky for the next coat. It is important to remember that if you are spraying when it is colder than 65 degrees, you need to give it more time to dry, and less time if it is hotter than 65 degrees. Now it was time to finish with our top coat. We used a 1K acrylic clear to help give us a little bit of gloss and protection for our panel. We used a total of 2 coats. The first coat, making sure to get good coverage, and the goal on the second coat was to get it nice and wet and have it appear like it would on the finished panel. And here's the final result.
All right, guys, there you have it. That's the basics of painting spray cans on plastic.
Thanks for tuning in. Please smash the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.